morning to all the dignitaries and the business professionals seeing this presentation. Myself Sarang Chandrakant Saraf and I am presenting you the business presentation of Team Arman. Next slide. Aim. At present, the whole world is concentrating towards India as India has a great market to sell the products. So, we will be focused to increase the passion of go-kart in India. Our company organization name is Arbhat Private Limited and our company will be headed by our team members. So, the Nilesh Saraf will be the managing director of our company and all other 13 members will head respective departments. Now, we are presenting you the first go-kart of Arbhat Private Limited A1. Next slide. Let's see some of the features of this A1. Now we have used the Brixton Straton's 190cc lightweight and powerful engine. Aerodynamically improved nose and spoiler will help us to take sharp turning. Then responsive steering with 1:1 ratio will help the driver to turn the go-kart as per his wish. Then we have loaded this go-kart with safety features like fire extinguisher, 3-point harness system and hydraulic disc brakes. Next slide. India has a huge population as compared to any other nation. So, our first target market will be the youngsters of India. So, we will try to increase the passion of go-kart among these youngsters. And as the middle class proportion is also high in India, which looks for the amusement on weekends. So, our next target market will be the amusement parks and racing organization where many middle class peoples will come on weekends. Next slide. Now we did a market survey of these youngsters and amusement parks and the following facts about the safety, look, price, performance and reliability come to know. Now looking to our youngsters, we come to know that youngsters are more youngsters care more for the look of the vehicle, but they are not ready to pay a huge amount for it. And on the other side, amusement parks wants a more reliability of vehicle as their daily use is high and rough, and they are also ready to pay the huge amount for this go-kart. So we will be launching the two variants of our go-kart. One will be for the youngsters and another will be for the amusement parks. Now let's see the company process and workforce distribution. We are not having a huge initial capital investment. So we have divided our company in two stages. First is of vendors. These vendors will produce all the parts of go-kart, and the second one is assembly and selling. And we will assemble these parts and make the cart ready and we will sell it in market. So our team of 14 members is divided in 5 departments, naming assembly, selling, marketing, human resource and maintenance. And all these departments will be headed by the managing director of our company, Nilesh Saraf. Next slide. Now, how we will manage all this finance necessary for the initial investment. Now, first source is our team. Now let's see how. All the IITR students gets the loan from MSME of ₹25 lakh for their private business setup, and the self-funding of ₹5 lakh from home. So this will able each to make 30 lakh investment. So our team of 14 members will easily contribute 4.2 crore. Now this is very much sufficient for our initial investment. Then the second one is a financer. Now looking towards our huge investment and our progress of 1 month, it will not be difficult to find 4 to 5 financiers financing 20 to 30 lakh each. So this will enable us to contribute 1 to 1.5 crores. And the last option of our finance is share market. Now what we are planning, we will sell one share for 600 rupees, and besides it we will provide attractive share schemes to the buyers. So now it will include like that for 50 shares we will provide 30% cashback safety, and for 80 shares we will provide 50% cashback safety. So if someone buys 50 shares of ₹30,000, then in case of risk he will get a 30% cashback safety. So if this idea of share market work, then we will have a money tree. Let's see our plant layout. For better quality and development of our go-kart, we have divided our plant layout in following sections: assembly, store, quality and inspection, painting and maintenance. Now I will hand over my slides to my friend Piyush. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Sarang. I am Piyush Shukla, continuing our slides. On the contribution of 14 members, we have invested 4 crore rupees and the cost per vehicle is 38,000. It's a manufacturing cost of our vehicle. Now the retail price of our vehicle will be 65,000. Next please. Now the facilities to our customer are mobile apps. It will be very initiative and very helpful to our youths. Customer supports which is inbuilt in our app. Personal driving training. It will be trained by our company, and the warranty we are providing 1 year of warranty. Maintenance. It's a payable maintenance to our customers, and delivery. It will be home delivered to our customer. Now this is our cash flow analysis. In our cash flow analysis, we are getting our profit in 2019, which will in 4 years. Next please. Competitive analysis. We have our competitor, one local competitor which is in Prozone Mall, Aurangabad, and the Maharashtra state in our state competitor. These are the some list of our competitor and which we have to overcome on that. Now national competitor, these are the whole list of our national competitor which we have to recover and will compare to that. In our marketing strategy, we have included social media because it's a big platform to perform a better and newspaper. People read daily newspaper, so these are the two our better marketing strategy. Now our YouTube races, we are adding our film on YouTube to encourage the youth to perform, to include in our go-kart and encourage the go-kart for the common people. Next, these are our long-term goals. First, we have to reduce our vendors, so we have to come over on our manufacturing unit. We have to increase our manufacturing unit to reduce the vendors and entry into international market. We have to compare ourselves with leading automobile companies to bring a go-kart into day-to-day common cities. Increase the sales from 4,000 to 6,000. Next please. We have calculated our break-even point from the fixed cost of 2 crore rupees and sales price of 65,000. And the variable cost we have put at is 800 rupees. Now our break-even point is calculated is 311.53. Next please. Our conclusion. We have to overcome with our youngster and amusement park. Means we have to encourage the youngster. We have our 2 go-karts. First is for our youngster and second for amusement park. In amusement park we are using the go-kart for common people. These are our conclusion. Thank you very much.